Alrighty, just got a new box from Volks. Soon as it decides to, focus, here we go. Yep, there's my box. You can see some of the shipping details. So, I'm gonna cut open this box and we'll see what we have. I'm gonna pause the video. Alrighty, first in the box we have insert, Dolphy Dream insert. And there's the invoice. Here's the inner box. Alright, I'm gonna pause it again so I can get the box out. Alrighty. The box is taken out and unwrapped. Oh, other side up. So now let's see what's inside. There we go. Ooh. Of course we have all the paperwork and information booklet. And here's the outfit. It's gorgeous. There's the back of it. You can see the skirt. Here's the front. So let's take it out. I mean, part of the reason I got this doll, like full disclosure, is because it is not likely to depreciate in value too much. Like, special edition Volks dolls do tend to at least hold their value, if not appreciate. Little dolly undergarments. And this is so, let's see, there's the back of the cape and the plastic, you can see. If I can find the opening, I'll be in business. Here it is. That is very pretty. It is glitter, so I'm sure that years and years from now I may need to touch it up a little bit, but let's unfold it a little bit here. There we go. There's the top. It's very pretty. It's a lot prettier in person, I have to say. And there's little pearls at the end of the sleeves. That is adorable. Okay. Here's the skirt. Like a lot of Victorian era skirts, it has a slight dip at the back, although unlike Victorian era skirts, it also has a zipper. Overall, again, it has a lot of glitter. I wouldn't have done it with glitter, I would have done it with embroidery, but it is still very beautiful. Folks did a good job on it. Okay. Ah, the shoes. I've been looking forward to seeing these shoes, I have to admit. Ooh, wow. They are gorgeous. Just look at that. Look at the gems here. And there's one on the heel too, see? Oh, it's gorgeous. Love it. Love it. Check on the other one. Yep, that one's just as gorgeous. And it's in good shape. It survived the trip. Alrighty. Here are 2 pairs of hands. And her wig. I'm not going to take the hands out right now because I want to see what hands she has, if any. No, I'm not Dolly obsessed at all. Why do you ask? That's a nicely done wig overall, I think. It's not as spiky as the one in the movie, but I kind of like that, honestly. She kind of looked like she had a mullet in the movie, whereas this one is just a loose braid with some very long bangs kind of hanging down. And her signature curl, of course. There we go. Now you can see it. Over here, you can kind of see the loose bangs that I was talking about. I do like this wig overall. I think they did a good job. And here she is. Let's preserve her modesty for the YouTube algorithm. Let's see, does she have hands? No. She does not have any hands on. And you know, I don't think she's actually technically white. At least she's not like my other Volks white doll. She's more of a really pale pink. Like, she's definitely not as dark as some of the other normal skinned Volks dolls I have. But she is not white, like the stark white that I was kind of semi-picturing her as, which I don't honestly mind because she, with the pink tones, she won't take on that yellow appearance quite as quickly. But anyway, here is her face. Isn't she pretty? I just love how finely they paint the eyebrows and eyelashes. I think that's so pretty. Well, I'll add some pictures once I get her all dressed and set up. Thanks for watching.